Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we've got a battle of the bots that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum, the heavyweight champ of suction power. And on the right, the Manfove Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the underdog with a mop that's ready to rock. Let's dive in and see which one of these bad boys deserves a spot in your home. First up, let's talk money, honey. The eufy X8 Pro will set you back a whopping $649. That's right, folks. You might need to sell a kidney for this one. Meanwhile, the Manf Combo is a cool $196. At that price, you can afford to buy it a friend. But hey, sometimes you gotta pay to play. Let's see if Eufy's got the goods to justify that price tag. Now, let's get down to some serious suction action. The eufy X8 Pro boasts a jaw-dropping 2 times 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. That's like having a mini tornado clean your carpets. Pet hair? Gone. Dust bunnies? Obliterated. Meanwhile, the Manfove Combo comes in with a humble 1,400 pascals. It's like comparing a Dyson to a dustbuster. Sure, Manf can handle the basics, but if you've got a pet that sheds like it's trying to clone itself, Eufy's your guy. Reviewers say the eufy X8 Pro is particularly effective at picking up pet hair and maintaining suction power over time, although some did mention battery issues. On the other hand, reviewers found the Manfove to be effective for surface-level messes and pet hair, but it may struggle with larger debris and thicker carpets. On to versatility, eufy X8 Pro flexes with its customizable AI Map 2.0. You can set no-go zones, virtual boundaries, and more. It's like the Tony Stark of vacuums, super smart and super rich. Manfove, on the other hand, offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. Zigzag mode covers the most ground, reducing missed spots by 30%. Not bad for the budget-friendly bot. Reviewers appreciate the Eufy's advanced mapping and customization features, whereas Manf users love the straightforward and effective cleaning modes it offers. Next, let's see which bot can dodge like a pro. Eufy X8 Pro has iPath laser navigation, creating precise maps to avoid obstacles and track cleaning routes. It's like having a vacuum with a PhD in spatial awareness. Manf, though, isn't far behind with its advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance. It's got sensors to avoid white walls, stairs, and obstacles. At 2.87 inches slim, it slips into tight spots like a ninja on a diet. Reviewers of the eufy X8 Pro highlight its efficient mapping and obstacle avoidance, while Manfove users mention its ability to navigate around furniture and tight spaces effectively. Let's talk special features. Eufy X8 Pro has a tangle-free roller brush with a Pro Detangle comb. No more pulling out hair from the brush. Hallelujah! It also boasts 45 days of hands-free cleaning with a 2.5L dustbin. Set it and forget it, folks. Manfove, however, brings the 2-in-1 action with both vacuuming and mopping. Plus, it's got Smart App and voice control, compatible with Google Assistant. You can boss it around with your voice while you binge Netflix. Now that's living the dream! Reviewers love the Eufy's low-maintenance features and powerful suction, while Manfove users appreciate the mopping functionality and ease of use. Summing up the reviews, eufy X8 Pro is praised for its powerful suction, advanced mapping, and low-maintenance features, although some users experienced battery issues. The Manf Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is lauded for its affordability, effective cleaning, and mopping capability, though it might struggle with larger debris and tight spots. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Eufy X8 Pro is the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums, luxurious, powerful, and a bit pricey. Man-Sieve Combo is the budget-friendly, versatile warrior that doesn't mind getting its mop dirty. Which one should you buy? If you've got the cash to splash and need serious suction, go with Eufy. But if you're balling on a budget and want a bot that can vacuum and mop, Man-Sieve's your match. Let us know in the comments which one you're rooting for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart Showdown. See you next time, and remember, buy smart, not hard. Product links are in the description.